Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Now you can take white oil pastel color and copy my process as I am doing. It will give a highlighted texture to your lehenga. So now I am doing embroidery part on lehenga. For that you can take more golden color and bit quantity of silver. I will share my colors in next video. And now you have to make some small sleeves with flowers on the top and copy this design on your full lehenga and also to the blouse. So do clearly as I am not able to do that much clear, but I hope you all are getting the process of making it. Now you only have to copy and paste this design all over your lehenga. So guys, this design is for your lehenga's bottom side. So guys, make dots on your chunni for embroidery. It is simple as it is chunni. So chunni should be lighter than lehenga. So the lehenga is ready. As you can see that. You can copy this and try it at your home. I hope it will help you a lot. If it is helpful, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon too. Thank you so much.
सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो भैया जल्दी।